This video teaches you how to install MSAT software. So what you do is you search for your package. Mine is in the downloads. So this is where my package is. You open the folder. So there are two products involved here, this setup and the product ID. So what you do is you open your product ID. You start by opening your product ID. I'll show you the importance of doing this. And then the next step is you hit twice. You click twice on the MSAT setup. After hitting twice, the setup will pop up showing the language selection, so it comes automatically English, and then it will lead you to the welcoming part. So what you do is you hit next. So it will request for a product ID key for the key. So where do you get it? You remember I told you by opening your product ID. So that's the importance of starting with your product ID. So what you do is you hit twice on the product ID key to highlight it. I got it here. This is the product ID that opened. So you don't need to struggle. You just follow the instructions and you'll be successful in installing this software. So just click twice and then copy the key, paste it, and then click next. So this is just telling you that this package is compatible with Microsoft Office 2010, 2013, and 2016. So this product is not compatible with Microsoft 2007. So it's important that you follow these instructions. So what you do, just click next. Click next. Okay, it's just showing the destination folder. So hit next. Hit next. So as you hit on close, the shortcut to this software will pop up. This is what I'm talking about. So what you do is you copy this shortcut to and paste it on your desktop computer. So right click on Wrapper and then okay, sorry for that. Just do the right thing, right? And then copy it, and then after doing that, paste it on your desktop. Paste it. So this is the shortcut of our package. This is the shortcut of our package. Let's try to now do the needful. You don't just end from, you just try to open it and follow the instructions as given in this video. Okay, you just be patient. So there's as you open it, it will request for the protection password. So you get it from the same product ID which is saved on the notepad. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Hit on the notification bar and the subscription button. It will help you be updated with the next video that is going to be uploaded on this YouTube channel. Open it. So this is the MSAT password to open this product. You copy it. After copying it, you paste it here. Okay, so after doing that, just hit on OK, and then it will request for the right access password. Okay, that is if you want to have the right access to this package. So what you're going to do is you get this password to modify. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and then click on OK. Don't click on read only. You will not have access to write on this in this software. Just hit on OK. That's all. Beautiful. So if you followed all the instructions as given in this video, you have no problems. It will come as expected. Please, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe. It will help you. So it has come. It may come differently depending with the version of your Microsoft Office. So I advise you to install the required Microsoft Office on your computer. So this software comes with different buttons. It has the help, the exit, it has the ECE, the upper reports, the junior reports, the senior reports, and the view LPI. So on the ECE, it shows it has the part for the ECE section. The upper reports has from grade 1 up to 7. Junior reports has 8 and 9. And then if we are to hit on the senior reports, which is grade 10 to 12, it comes like this. So what you do is you just enter on the red highlighted parts. So we have got two parts here. We've got the select and the enter. So if you hit on the two top red, this one and the next one, this you just have to select your school and your district, and you also select year, like you've seen. But when it comes to term, grade, class, total, possible days, school open, here you enter, and this information will be explained to you in the next video that will be uploaded on this YouTube channel. So if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please do well by doing so, as it will help you. In the next video, we're going to look at how to navigate through in this MSAT software. This is very important for all teachers because it will help not only the data entry officers but all teachers when it comes to monitoring the performance of your pupils. Okay, so this video was mostly looking at how to install this package. Like I said, subscribe. May God bless you and thank you.